When a person falls asleep, most of the brain's nerve cells are resting, but some nerve cells are still in a state of excitement. It is for this reason that we dream. Dreams are inseparable from our daily life. Some dreams are often closely related to the things that are unforgettable or have a deep impression, or are affected by certain plots in novels, TVs, and movies. There are also some dreams which are generated after a certain part of the body is stimulated. For example, when your body needs to urinate, they often dream of toilets. Another reason for dreams is caused by strong desire. For example, when falling in love, the figure of the lover often appears in the dream. Or when you want to go play or eat something, you often get your wish in your dream. Therefore, the famous Austrian psychologist Sigmund Freud proposed that dreams are the fulfillment of wishes.